Now we are slowly moving closer to the flag off ceremony. The minister walking the red carpet is heading towards the stage. I welcome all the dignitaries to be part of this event and come on towards the stage. Soon flag off is going to happen. The most awaited moment of the morning.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Our chairman sir is here with the flag and I welcome you on the stage, Honorable Minister.
So मैं चाहती हूँ एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे ऑनरेबल यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस। दोस्तों तालियों की बौछार मुझे चाहिए। कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, जोरदार तालियां। साथ ही साथ हम वेलकम करना चाहेंगे इजराइल एम्बेसडर टू इंडिया मिस्टर नावर गिलोन, द डेप्यूटी हाई कमिश्नर टू इंडिया ब्रिटिश हाई कमीशन मिस क्रिस्टीना स्कॉट। साथ ही मैं यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मिस्टर सुजॉय चौधरी, डायरेक्टर प्लानिंग एंड बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट HR इंडियन ऑयल, मिस Sukla Mistry, Director, Refineries Indian Oil, Mr. N. Senthil Kumar, Director, Pipeline. Please come to the stage. Sathi, Dr. Alok Sharma. Can we have a round of applause? Come on, everybody. Let's begin. And as the flag unfurls and ascends, let us witness the beginning.
Please make way for the cars to roll on the red carpet.
I would also request Dr. Alok Sharma, Director R&D, to be a part of this lovely moment. Mr. Anuj Jain.
I welcome the car to please roll on the red carpet. John Morris. I welcome John Morris to roll on the red carpet as the rally has been flagged off by Sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anuj Jain, Director of Finance.
The car for the event will be the Indian Oil car. The John Morris, the old fire engines, it's already...
Manoj Gupta, Shri K. Mahadeva Swami, and Shri Kalpesh K. Avasia. Thank you so much. And जी हाँ, अब सबसे पहली गाड़ी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि सामने लाया जाए। And the first car that we are going to witness is John Morris from the year 1914.
The bells have started ringing of the old fire engine.
From National Rail Museum. Let's make way for the car to arrive. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, प्लीज आप लोगों का सहयोग सराहनीय है।
Here you go, ladies and gentlemen.
And absolutely proud moment. We are starting off with the first car, John Morris. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, everybody. Let's put our hands together for 1914 John Morris from National Rail Museum. Everyone, come on, let's continue clapping. तालियां बरकरार रहनी चाहिए. What an absolute delightful moment, everyone. And I can see the excitement in everybody's face. Let's welcome the second car of the day, Austin from the year 1926, with the name under the name of Avini Ambush Shankar. So after John Morris, it's time to welcome Austin.
Striking turquoise blue color, two-seater. Car number 2.
What a remarkable presence of this car. Can we have a round of applause for this car as well? Come on, everybody. Let's appreciate the beauties of the car with some high energy taliyan. Next.
Here comes the car number 4. Olive green, Austin.
And I would be requesting
driven by
Israel,
Kavani Ambushankar.
requesting
Proud owner.
Israel Ambassador to India, Mr. Naor Gilon, to flag off the next car we have lined up. So we have with us here
Now here
this
comes
beauty.
the black Mammon.
Austin.
1927 Mammon, driven by Mr. Shivraj Anand.
So yes, we can see 1927 Mammon under the name of Shivraj Anand. और एक बार जोरदार तालियां, come on everybody.
Next comes the Auckland, 1927 Auckland, driven by Mr. Shahamat Hussain.
Friends, we have with us here 1927 Auckland under the name of Dr. Shahamat Hussain. Absolute delight to the eyes. Everybody, zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Come on.
Now this is all gonna set your heartbeat racing. Followed by the Auckland is a Rolls Royce, blue Rolls Royce. One of the most iconic cars of the era. And on board is the car expert, Mr. Tutu Dhawan, if I'm not wrong. Hello, sir.
Everybody, let's put on some.
Once again, there's one other Rolls Royce, followed by the light blue. Now is the navy blue and silver Rolls Royce. Car number 9, 1928.
Everybody, can we bring some energy into this place? जोरदार तालियां हो सकती हैं. Come on. Actually, सबके हाथों में फोन आ गए हैं. तालियां आ ही नहीं रही हैं. सिर्फ कैमरेज स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, कैमरेज खो चुके हैं. All right. Up next, we have this another beauty, which is Rolls Royce 1928, under the name of Sameer Gupta Rangwala.
It's wonderful to see such a great lineup of so many Rolls Royces.
So up next, you all can see it's a 1935 Rolls Royce.
Driven by Mr. Raghavat Singhania.
And we have this wonderful, terrific car.
This is the Bentley 1936, driven by Mr. Aditya Malik.
So now I would be requesting Miss Reshma Dudani to flag off the upcoming next cars. Welcome, ma'am. And ladies and gentlemen, next we have up next we have
Now I welcome
1936.
Kalpesh sir from State Bank of India. Please take the flag, sir.
वेलकम मिस्टर कल्पेश. आप दोनों साथ में कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, now we have 1936 Bentley, driven by Kishore Gidwane.
Along with Kalpesh sir is Mr. Manav Kaviraj. Mr. Manas Kaviraj is a senior official of the NBCC who is now flying off the wonderful cars lined up.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome the next car we have lined up.
There's another Rolls Royce lined up now.
Yes, 1936 Rolls Royce, driven by Mr. Ashok Gupta. दोस्तों एक बार तालियां बजा देते तो it would be, great. Come on everybody. Thank you sir, thank you. Now, I would be requesting Miss Veena from LIC to join hands and flag of the next car, which is a beauty Rolls-Royce 1937. Beautiful
Now,
color.
the flag is in the hands of Ma'am Veena Laka, who is the Regional Manager, Inspection for the Life Insurance Corporation of India.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we are witnessing 1937 Rolls-Royce driven by Mr. Ashish Jain. Up next, again, we have a 1937.
Now I welcome Miss Ashika, Miss Pranav and Garima.
So yes, in front of us, we have again 1937 Rolls-Royce driven by Raghav Path Singhania. Oh my God. Terrific. So, आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमारी अगली गाड़ी है 1939 Rolls-Royce driven by Rita Bhatnagar. All I can see happy faces around. I can see smiling people, happy faces, and thank you so much. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful, beautiful car we have with us here. Owned and driven by Rita Bhatnagar. Moving on to the next, we
Now
have
I welcome Mr. Anshuman Tandon, the Chief General Manager from the Power Grid Corporation of India. Sir, please come forward. And
so yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have
here is
another car.
Anshuman Tandon,
1928.
Chief General Manager, Power Grid Corporation of India.
So we have 1928 Ford, owned by Mr. Pawan Mehta.
And one thing to notice, sir, your hat is really looking awesome. Wonderful hat.
Just like yours. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, अगली गाड़ी Austin from the year 1929, owned by Mr. Pramod Bhasin. दोस्तों तालियां क्यों रुक गई? Have a round of applause. Come on, everybody. We are witnessing classic beauties from, from the 90s. इतनी पुरानी और इतनी नायाब गाड़ियां आप सभी के सामने हम लेकर आ रहे हैं. Thank you everybody for your contribution to this event. And up next we have another beauty, which is 1929 Austin, under the name of Miss Akanksha Sharma. Welcome, ma'am. So the next we have is 1929 Buick, which is owned by Mr. Dev Mohan Gupta. एक बार तालियां हो जाए. Come on everybody, let's bring some energy to the event. Thank you so much. Thank you. And अगली गाड़ी की ओर रुख करते हैं. हमारी अगली गाड़ी है again 1929 Ford, owned by Mr. Prem Chanda. Congratulations, sir. 1929 Ford. So moving on to the next car, we have another Ford from the year 1930, owned by Mr. Sandeep Sehgal. Awesome. So ladies and gentlemen, we have
now
the
I
next
welcome
car.
the officials from the Asian Paints, Mr. Yogesh Warde. He is the National Sales Manager for Asian Paints. And also welcome Arunava Sen Gupta, who is the Head of Marketing.
So we have your 1930s Speed Taker, owned by Mr. Javed. Thank you so much, Mr. Javed Rahman. Up next we have 1930s Stoops. It's a US car owned by Diljit. So thank you so much, Mr. Diljit. Wonderful car.
Now I welcome Mr. Arunav Singh Gupta. Sir, please take the flag.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमारी अगली गाड़ी जो है that is a 1930 Mercedes owned by Mr. Indrajit Sirkar. Awesome car. What a beautiful color it has. Up next we have another classic.
Now I welcome Mr. Vineet Sridhar and Mr. Abhishek Sharma from the Indian Oil Corporation. So please come onto the stage and take the flag.
1938 Armstrong owned by Mr. Madan Mohan.
This Armstrong is one of the most rare cars which is participating in this rally.
And the next car that we have here is Armstrong Siddeley from the year 1947 under the name of Harshpati Singhania. Congratulations, sir. The next car that we have here with us.
This is the two-door Mercedes and one of the most iconic cars of its time. It's a classic.
Mercedes from 1969 owned by Shri Harshpati Singhania.
This is one of the most popular cars you must have seen in the old Bollywood movies driven by the heroes.
The next we have is 1931 Austin driven by Prateek Kumar Gupta.
Ladies and gentlemen, now our chairman is facilitating the Honorable Minister. It was such a delight to have you here, sir. Please make way. The Honorable Minister will be...
So next we have is a 1932 Riley owned by Raj Kishan Sharma ji.
The children from the Man School who were here to perform this mega event. Honorable Minister, sir, is now going to meet the children who've come all the way from Hollambi to perform and play here.
Next we have is a
For the prestigious
1933 Austin under the name of Mr. Sanjeev Puri.
Now we welcome Mr. Rohit Inderjeet Singh to come on stage and take the flag from the BHEL.
Next we have 1933 Fiat under the name of Mr. Raghav Pat Singh Mania. Up next we have another Fiat from the year 1934 owned by Mr. Prem Sharma. Next we have another beauty from the year 1934 Lagonda owned by Baba Nobis and Kabir Seth. What a beautiful color it has, and just one word, wow. Up next we have another beauty from 1934 Opel owned by Mr. Prateek Kumar Gupta. अगली गाड़ी की ओर रुख करेंगे. हमारे पास ये बड़ी खूबसूरत सी गाड़ी आप देख सकते हैं, Fiat 1935 owned by Krishna Motor Garage. Bright yellow. Next we have Mercedes 1938 owned by Mr. Dev Mohan Gupta. Next we have 1938 car with owner Gurpreet Singh and driven by Mr. Anil Kumar. Next we have Chevrolet 1939 model by Mr. Naresh Ojha. Next we have 1951 Mercedes, which is owned by Mr. Gurpreet Singh. It's time to welcome the next car, which happens to be a 1938 Morris, and this car is owned by Kanwarjeet Singh and driven by Charanjeet Singh. क्या बात है? Up next we have another, which is 1955 Austin, owned by Mr. Ashok Bhatia. Right, it's time to welcome the black beauty we have up next, which is a 1939 Lincoln, owned by Mr. Yatin Krishna Srivastava. Thank you so much, sir. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Up next we have another amazing car with us. We have MGTC with our owner, with owner Uday Bahadur. Next we have Bentley 1946, from the year 1946, owned by Mr. Uday Bahadur. And we have these two lovely young kids flagging off the cars. क्या नाम है आप लोगों का?
जय.
Okay, क्या हम बच्चों के लिए एक बार तालियां बजा सकते हैं? Come on everybody, let's appreciate their energy and their presence. Thank you so much, बच्चा party. Okay, up next we have, and now I would be requesting Mr. Rohit Inder Singh, General Manager, BHEL, to join us here on the stage and
now
flag off the next cars.
The Dynaflow, one of the most iconic cars of its times. If you can see the bright yellow color, this car is a treat to watch and drives like a yacht. It just floats on the road.
So up next we have a Buick by Mr. Deepak Gupta, and we have one more Buick from the year 1946 and 1947 respectively, owned by Mr. Diljit. So those who are present here, मैं चाहती हूँ let's appreciate the beauty of each car with a round of applause with some high energy तालियां. Come on everybody, तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. It takes a lot of efforts to maintain these cars. It takes a lot of, money and efforts and hard work.
We have on the stage Mr. Rohit Inderjeet Singh, the General Manager, BHEL. And here follows an old class, wonderful Mercedes in black,
which is the 1960 model, owned by Mr. Puneet Duggal.
Now what you see is one of the most unique cars. It's a Jaguar from back in 1951. The owner is Mr. Dev Mohan. Flawless is the word that comes to the mind when you see this car.
Up next we have another beauty, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Chevrolet from the year 1965.
One of the most popular cars among the vintage and classic car lovers. This is the red Impala, and it has featured in endless movies talk of Bollywood, Hollywood, this was the car of the choice for the films too. Iconic styling, power, and it's just simply amazing.
Up next, we have a 1954 Landmaster owned by Mr. Manujendra Shah and driven by Pami Kapoor. And we have another beauty, which happens to be a Fiat from the year 1969, owned by Mr. Angad Singh.
What you see after the Fiat is the wonderful war era Jeep. Something every boy who enters college has of having a open top Jeep. It's a left-hand drive and a side-mounted spare wheel. Used to be one of the most preferred cars, though used to be featured in movies, as you can see.
Now I will be requesting Ms. Shivani from Kerali, the Ayurvedic Healing Village, and Mr. Devendra Malik from LIC team to come and flag off the upcoming cars. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another spotless
There's one
beauty.
more, such a treat to watch. What color combination, and no mistake, it's a Ford. And as you look at the color scheme, it just attracts you like anything. Such well-kept car.
Thank you so much.
The-
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome the next car we have lined up, which happens to be a Ford again from the year 1959. And the owner is Mr. Chetan Vohra. Thank you so much, sir, for your
The car
participation.
is driving as if it's ready to race, huh? Nice, nice. Amazing sound. And here comes another Chevy, if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Yeah.
1966 Chevrolet.
It's the estate or station wagon version of the car. If you can see, such space is like unimaginable.
Absolutely. Owned by Mr. Abhimanyu Sharma.
More of a house, you can say.
So up
Now-
next we have another car, which is a Austin from the year 1946, owned by Preksha Bothra. Thank you so
अभी
much.
थोड़ी देर से जो आप बढ़िया से ड्रम्स सुन रहे थे, तो दो बड़े प्यारे बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं. Vansh, Vivan and accompanied by Samaira. They would now flag the coming cars. Please.
So next we have this beautiful Cadillac from the year 1965 and owned by Parmeet Singh Bhallaji. Stunning.
Cadillacs have always been an attraction on all American roads. And one such in such a good condition is simply a treat to watch.
And ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the next car we have, which is a
Singer. It's a Singer sedan, a classic. Used to be quite popular, a British car.
Yes, it's a 1959 model owned by Dr. S. Farooq. Thank you so much, Mr. Farooq. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So up next, you can see a Mercedes from the year 1957, owned by Radhika Puri.
Interestingly, one young boy has arrived from Shimla, especially to witness the event. Mr. Sanat Jai Singh. He will now hold the flag.
Welcome. You have traveled a long distance, huh?
How's
Was
the
it
weather?
worth it?
How's the weather in Shimla? Huh?
How is it worth it?
Is it very worth it, you know?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful event. Ladies and gentlemen, all you can see, beauties, wonderful beauties, skin-plating beauties. And up next, we have another beauty here, which is in a marvelous condition.
Now I welcome the Director Statesman, Mr. Vineet Gupta, with the flag in his hand.
Welcome, Mr. Vineet Gupta. We have this wonderful Mercedes.
He has spent sleepless nights organizing this grand event. It's immense contribution towards this, organizing the entire setup with his team.
Thank you so much, sir, for your unparalleled level of hard work into this event. And this is Mercedes from the year 1959, owned by Sunil Sahai. Up next, we have another amazing car, ladies and gentlemen. So we have Riley from the year 1952, owned by Bird Group and driven by Joga.
If I'm not wrong, this is one of the most iconic cars of its era. It's the Pathfinder.
Up next, we have amazing 1941 Cadillac, owned by Shivraj Anand.
Now I welcome on stage the coordinating editor of the Statesman newspaper, Mr. Ashok Kuteja. He is the man behind the news that you see on the Statesman newspapers and a very senior renowned journalist. He is flagging the upcoming cars. And now you see one of the heartthrobs is right here, Sportback Ford Mustang of the 60s, a car which every young boy wants to have.
So 1966 Ford, owned by S.B. Jatti.
This car simply needs no introduction.
Up next, we
As
have
you can hear the engine revving as if it's always ready to zoom off onto the highways or any street it can just take on.
Nextly, I would be welcoming 1950 Morris, owned by Mr. Gagan Gupta. After this, let's welcome 1969 Volkswagen, owned by Mr.
Now I am
Raheel
about to
Mohan.
welcome a very iconic personality, Mr. Jitendra Pandit, who has been judging this event for a lot of decades. And as you just saw, a navy blue color Beetle just passed the rally. It's being a treat to watch. This car is a very famous car. It's being driven by Mr. Raheel Mohan Gupta and Mr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, who is behind the wheel. Car number 147.
Nextly, we have have this 1948 Oldsmobile, which is owned by Mr. Rahul
Talking
Bansal.
about Jitendra Pandit, sir, he's been chief judge of this entire event for several years, and he has been contributing and has been a part of this rally for even I just cannot count the years, and has been contributing to this entire event. It's the organizing, the judging of vehicles, and guiding the collectors about how to restore a car properly. He's been an icon when it comes to being a car enthusiast and vintage plus classic cars. Mr. Pandit,
Thank you so
right
much.
in front of you on the stage.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pandit. In front of you all, we have 1948 Singer owned by Mr. Manik Sharma and driven by Mr. Anil Sharma.
Oh, wow.
Powerful.
And here comes the red Mini,
Yes.
one of the most iconic cars, you can say.
Owned by Mr. Manik Sharma again. So, ladies and gentlemen, up next we have a Dodge from the year 1956.
Now I
Owned
welcome
by
on stage
Suman
Mr.
Bhandari.
Sandeep Kataria, who's been restoring and judging our event for the most, for almost more than 25 years. He is an expert when it comes to vintage cars and knows every nuance of the restoration work. He's
The next we
has
have,
contributed a lot towards this rally.
so next we have Wolseley from the year 1957, owned by Mr. Indrajit Sarkar. Flawless. Thank you.
Another black beauty rolling the red carpet.
Which happens to be a Buick from 1941, owned by Angad Katari.
Back in the day, Buicks were quite popular and very, very popular in the United States of America, known for their elaborate designs, and followed by the Buick. It's the Bel Air now.
Wow. The first word that came out was wow, and it is a wow because we have a Chevrolet from the year 1956, owned by Bahadur Singh and driven by Ravi Tanwar. Very well maintained, would say. Up next, we have another amazing car in front of us, ladies and gentlemen.
It is the Plymouth Belvedere, which rolled the streets of America and especially very popular at places near the beaches where someone would just take it out for a drive along the Boulevard Road. Very iconic and fashionable car of its times, and followed by a Land Rover, a conqueror of tough terrains, very well maintained, and recently it has been showcased of the Hollywood movies too.
Up next, we have a 1956
Surprisingly, this
Studebaker.
Land Rover used to be driven by back in the day by the royal family also, and would do all the duties of where the road would not support the vehicle in that manner.
So
The king
next
of
we have
off-road.
this beautiful Studebaker from 1956. And the owner is again Indrajit Sarkar and driven by Avijit Ghoshal. Ghoshal.
Now we welcome on stage the Deputy High Commissioner to India, British High Commission, Miss Christina Scott. Ma'am, please take the flag.
Welcome, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome another beauty from 1948, which is Singer 9. And it is owned by Brij Naresh Bajaj and driven by Jay Kishore. Okay, so it is owned by Brigadier Naresh Bajaj and driven by Jay Kishore. Welcome. अपने we have another beauty that we all have to welcome. So this is a 1947 Chevrolet. That's nice. Owned by Iqbaz Ali Shah. Welcome. एक से बढ़कर एक ब्यूटीज लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन हमने आज विटनेस की है और अभी भी कर रहे हैं.
जो अगली गाड़ी यहाँ पे आ रही है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, एक वर्ल्ड वॉर एरा जीप है. एक ओपन जीप जो कि अपने आप में एक बड़ी आइकॉनिक गाड़ी रही है. यूजुअली यूज्ड टू सर्व द आर्मीज बैक इन द डे फॉर मल्टीपल जॉब्स.
Okay, let's welcome the next car we have here.
कार नंबर 56.
Thank you so much. Owned by SV Jetty. Next we have another black beauty.
Once
Which
again,
is the
I
Fiat.
welcome Mr. Rohit Inderjeet Singh on the stage from BHEL.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have a 1955 Fiat with the owner S. Kirpal Singh. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं दोस्तों. अगली गाड़ी भी 1955 Fiat है, owned by H.W. Bhatnagar. Welcome.
एक और लैंड रोवर, अब इनफैक्ट दो लैंड रोवर यहाँ पे अब रोल कर रही हैं. एक ओपन रूफ है, एक विद द रूफ इन इट्स ओरिजिनल कंडीशन, द MEA 1010.
Yes, a 1955 Land Rover by Ravi Valur. Oh my God. You can't miss out on the next
Oh,
beauty
wow.
that we have.
It's the Triumph Spitfire.
Yes.
Such a nicely kept car, very well driven, and it used to be very easy to maneuver, a very sporty car of its times. It just steals hearts when you just look at it,
Yes.
especially the wheels, spoked wheels.
Next we have a Fiat, a 1963 Fiat, owned by Prem Sharma.
ये जो अब जीप आ रही है वैशाली, ये तो एक टाइम पे मेरी बहुत फेवरेट होती थी. The iconic Willys Jeep. If I'm not wrong, this must be the 3J model. And
Yes.
it's driven by, again, the Shankar family.
Ambani Shankar family.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Another your favorite
Oh, wow.
Willys.
Another Willys. It's a treat for me. This
Yes.
rally is simply a treat for me.
Owned by Kashif Siddiqui. The color is so fine. Oh, another beauty. एक और प्यारी सी
अब ये
खूबसूरत सी
प्यारी
कार.
सी गाड़ी जो आप देख रहे हैं, इसकी एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है. The wonderful couple, they've come all the way from Chandigarh to take part in the rally, and they've driven down from Chandigarh. Please, a big round of applause for them.
Yes, welcome Amarjeet Singh Sodhi and family. Next we have another Landmaster by Mr. Ashok Gupta.
Vaishali, आपको पता है, Landmaster was the car which had come before the Ambassador came into the Indian market, and it had set the stage for the Ambassador, which became an icon lately.
Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Next we have a Fiat.
The 1100 Fiat.
Yes, Namita Chibba, owned by Namita Chibba. And we have another Mercedes. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful. Owned by R.K. Dhawan. Back then also, the cars used to be so beautiful, huh?
Now you're going to miss on. See,
Yes.
There's another Volkswagen Beetle. Such a striking, sporty red color. It used to be the most iconic people's car back in the day, produced by Volkswagen.
Next we have a Chevrolet from 1967, owned by Patel Cars.
This is the Chevrolet Nova. Used to be an iconic sedan. I'm sorry, the two-door version of the sedan back in the day.
Oh my God. We have one more guest joining. So we have this car
And
from
there's a
Patel
special
Cars.
guest
Yes, a very
on the
cute
back
one.
seat of the Mercedes. Oh wow. If you all can see.
मेरी मेरी नजरें नहीं हट रही है वहां से. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So,
जो ये बैक सीट
Mercedes
पे
by
है, इनका
Patel
नाम जान
Cars.
सकते हैं मैम?
So we have another striking car in front of us all,
Okay.
which is a Dodge. Yes, it's a Dodge from 1956.
The Dodge Kingsman.
Oh, we have another beauty.
Oh wow.
So, yes, this car is owned by Patel Cars. And I love this one. Thank you so much. Next, we have a beautiful Mini 1967 by Mr. Ashok Khosla.
This used to be an iconic car, and it seems to be the extended version of the Mini Cooper back in the day.
Amazing, amazing. बहुत ही खूबसूरत.
Revving nicely.
Okay, अब अगली गाड़ी की बारी आ गई है दोस्तों. Up next we have a Sunbeam Tableau, which is a 1947 car owned by Rajbant Grewal. And we have Ambassador from 1966, from the year 1966, owned by Avninder Singh. So people are so excited about this event. This is a classic car rally 2024. I can sense the excitement on the faces of the people.
ये गाड़ियां ऐसी हैं जिनसे नजरें ही नहीं हटती.
Exactly. तो चलिए अगली गाड़ियों की ओर रुक करते हैं, which is a Pontiac from 1957, owned by.
अब जो अगली गाड़ी आप देखते हैं जो रेड कलर में आ रही है, there's one very unique thing about this car. This is a Bentley 6 and this is a specific car which is a vault design. इसकी डिजाइन अपहोल्स्ट्री, ये वॉल्ट डिजाइन उसे कहते थे. बस एक ही बार कंपनी बनाती थी, उसके बाद दोबारा ये पैटर्न रिपीट करती थी. So this is something very unique about this car.
Okay.
The Bentley 6.
Yeah, very unique. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the final car
Now,
of this
ladies
event.
and gentlemen, I would like you to applause, and this is the last car which is moving on the red carpet. So now we'll be joining at the National Stadium after a while
So
for
yes,
the prize distribution ceremony. Meanwhile, these cars will roll the city's roads, and the people will be able to witness the heritage and the legacy of the automobile. Now, I welcome you all to join us at the National Stadium, where the prize distribution ceremony will take place, and the best car of the rally would be adjudged. Till then, goodbye and have a great day.